If you want to add an extra 200 rear wheel horsepower to your Shelby GT500, then stick around because I have exactly what you need. What's going on, everyone? It's Connor from here at Nitrous Express, back with another amazing nitrous plate system for the 07 to 14 Shelby GT500. This GT500 system features a billet nitrous plate that bolts in between the throttle body and intake, making installation quick, simple, and attractive. The system includes Nitrous Express's billet aluminum and carbon fiber Lightning Series solenoids for the ultimate in performance and weight savings. We also include our NX fuel rail adapter for a simple fuel system hookup with no need to cut your factory fuel lines. The system includes an auto-learn TPS wide open throttle switch, a 15-foot nitrous feed line, a master arming switch, a 40 amp relay and relay harness, all of the necessary hardware to complete the installation. And finally, this system comes with jetting for 35 to 200 horsepower. It can be purchased with a 5, 10, 12, or 15-pound bottle. All of our bottles include the industry exclusive billet aluminum Lightning 500 bottle valve. For more information on any of our products, you can visit us at www.nitrousexpress.com or give us a call at 1-888-GO-FAST-1. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. As always, thank y'all for watching, and I will see you next time.